this has really been an amazing Kickstarter, and I'm really grateful to all of you guys who have helped make it so much of a success. We've been having a really good time with it. You have in fact knocked down yet another stretch goal, and that is the DUX-53 and DUX-59 sections. So I will get the keyboard back out and get working on that. And that brings us to our very last stretch goal for the Kickstarter, which is another one that I know you guys have been asking for. It's one that's pretty cool. It's a lot of work, and that is cocktail sheets. So if we meet this one last final stretch goal, we will go ahead and put together a list of cool Finnish and Finnish themed or Finnish associated cocktails. And I've got some ideas for that. We'll see what comes of the stretch goal, but if we make it, I think it'll be pretty cool. By the way, if we do make it, we will include a copy of that cocktail sheet with each book that ships, as well as actually binding it into the collector editions. So we've got that to look forward to if we make this one last one. So we're in the final stretch here, guys. Thank you all very much for the support, and it's a really exciting project.